Good afternoon, children. As you know that we have done Gulliver's Travels yesterday. We have read the chapter. So today a quick revision of the difficult words and their meanings. So these difficult words and their meanings you have to understand them, and then you have to note it down in your notebooks. Then today we'll be doing the difficult words and as well as the exercises. I'll be explaining you all, and after explanation I'll be providing you the written portion also. I have written them down and I will share it with you on your assignment group so that you can note it down in your notebooks. So you can just look through this. So first difficult word is adventures. Adventures is when there is an unusual and exciting experiences. So when there are normal experiences which gives you happiness, it is okay, but when there are unusual and exciting, very much exciting experience, then it is adventure. When we go for climbing, we go for trekking, so these are all adventures. The next word is distant. Distant is far away. When we go to distant places, means far away places. Then the third word is fascinated. Fascinated is I am fascinated towards music. It means that I am strongly attracted. I like music, so I am fascinated. So strongly attracted. When you are attracted towards something, it is fascination. So fascinated. Voyage. Voyage is a long journey. So sometimes when we go through, when we travel here and there for 1 hour, 2 hour, it is okay. It is a journey. But voyage is a long journey, like in ships when we travel for 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So it is a voyage, or many months also. So it is a voyage. Then violent. Violent is a very forceful or powerful. So when we say it was a violent storm, so it was a very powerful storm. Next word is braving. Braving is to face something which with courage. जब किसी का सामना बिल्कुल निर्भय होके किया जाए, so it is braving. Now once again we'll look. So there is one more word, one more term. It is set sail. Set sail, when it is meant, this term is meant for to start a journey. When we say set sail, so it is to it means to start a journey through sailing. So this is the word. Now again these underlined words I'll explain. The next page you can see drove. Drove is to it is pushed. Winds drove me away, like winds pushed me away. Waves drove me away, like waves pushed me away. To push something, धक्का देना. And the next word is split. Split is to break, टुकड़ों में बांटना जिसे कहते हैं, to break, तोड़ना. Scattered. Scattered is spread in different direction. I told you already, to spread in different, अलग अलग दिशाओं में बिखर जाना. एंड एग्जॉस्टेड मीन्स वेरी टायर्ड. एक होता है थकना, एक होता है बहुत बुरी तरह से थकने को कहते हैं एग्जॉस्टेड. एंड ड्रैग इज़ टू पुल. जब किसी चीज़ को खींच के ले जाते हैं, घसीट के ले जाते हैं, दैट इज़ ड्रैगिंग, टू पुल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज़ रो क्लियर. रो क्लियर मीन्स टू मूव अवे यूजिंग अ बोट. व्हेन वी मूव अवे यूजिंग अ बोट, एक नाव को लेके चलते हैं, तो इट इज़ रो क्लियर. एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ टू मेक आउट. टू मेक आउट मीन्स टू सी. Something which we can see is to make out. Now the next word is limped. Limped is थोड़ा थोड़ा सा, जैसे इन हिंदी भी से थोड़ा लंगड़ा के चलना, जैसे धीरे धीरे से, विथ वॉकिंग विथ डिफ़िकल्टी. व्हेन वी मूव straightly nicely, that is normal walking, but when we move with difficulty, it is limping. So it is limped. Now we'll do the comprehension part. So this is again you have to write down true or false. So you can write true or false here. The writer of the story was a doctor. So was the writer of the story a doctor? Yes. Gulliver was a doctor. He hated the sea. Did he hate the sea? No, he didn't hate the sea. False. He left his family behind in England because he wanted to sail. Yes, this is true, because he wanted to sail. So this is true. They had an uneventful, peaceful trip around the world. So did they have uneventful or peaceful trip? Yes, the trip was uneventful because he could manage. It met with accident and they could manage to reach somewhere around the world. So the answer is true. 12 members of the crew died in the violent storm. Yes, 12 members of the crew died in the violent storm. This is true. So next is answer the following questions briefly. So I'll just explain you the answers and I'll provide you the answers also written in written form so that you can note it down properly. The way I have written with date and name of the chapter and in a neat handwriting. So why did Dr. Gulliver sign up as a ship's doctor? So the answer will be Dr. Gulliver signed up as a ship's doctor because traveling to distant land always fascinated him. So it is there in the starting of the chapter also when he says that traveling to distant land always fascinated him. दूर दूर की जगह पर travel करना उसे हमेशा fascination होता था. It always attracted him. So this is the answer. So the next question is what happened to the antelope? So what happened to the antelope? Antelope was a captain of the ship. उनको क्या हुआ था? So the answer is a violent storm hit antelope and strong winds drove him on to some rocks which split the ship apart. So a violent storm, एक बहुत violent powerful storm आया था, उसने antelope को hit कर दिया था and strong wind से they pushed him on to some rocks which split the ship apart. जो ship was torn apart. So this is the answer. Now the next question number 3 is why were there only 6 sailors in the lifeboat? So क्या हुआ था? Poor food and answer will be poor food and too much work while braving the storm caused the death of 12 of the crew of the ship. So पहले ज़्यादा लोग थे but 12 people already died because of poor food and too much work. So there were 6 sailors in the lifeboat. इसीलिए सिर्फ 6 sailors lifeboat में बचे थे. So why were there only 6 sailors in the lifeboat? क्यों थे 6 sailors? क्योंकि पुअर फूड और टू मच वर्क की वजह से क्या कहते हैं 12 ऑफ देयर क्रू मेंबर्स दे डाइड, तो इसीलिए 6 बचे थे. डिस्क्राइब डॉक्टर गलीवर स्ट्रगल टू रीच द शोर. अब नाउ दिस इज़ अ डिस्क्रिप्शन. उन्होंने डिस्क्राइब पूछा है कि उसने कैसे शोर तक पहुंचने के लिए, किनारे तक पहुंचने के लिए क्या स्ट्रगल किया. सो दिस विल बी अ लॉन्ग आंसर बिकॉज इट रिक्वायर्स अ बिग डिस्क्रिप्शन. So the last paras where he found the difficulty, where he told all the difficult situations, we have to write all of them. So this will be relatively a big answer, and the answer starts at as like this. After the boat has overturned, Dr. Gulliver began swimming in whichever direction the winds and the waves pushed him. For many hours he kept on struggling, but just he was completely exhausted and the water seemed to be filling his lungs and his feet touched bottom. So it took him another 2 hours to drag himself and reach the shore. So this was the whole description how he reached to the shore. So we have to write like that only because this requires a big description. Now the C portion of this exercise, find antonyms of the following words from the story. So antonyms basically means the opposite. When synonym is written, synonym means the meaning of the word, but when antonyms is written, antonym means the opposite of the words. So I'll just explain you. I have written everything on for you, and I'll pass on to you in your assignment groups and all. You can note it down properly. So first word is familiar. So the antonym, and then these antonyms they have told us to find out from the story. So there are some particular words mentioned in the story which are exactly the opposite of these words. So हमें story में ही से ही वो antonyms निकालने. So familiar. So familiar का opposite from the story is strange. So you will write strange, strange. The next word is nearby. Nearby का antonym in this chapter, it is distant, distant, distant also, and there is one more word which is far. So you can write far also or distant also. Now the third word is calm. So for the antonym, the opposite of calm is violent. So you will write violent. And strong, the fourth one, strong, for strong you will write the antonym opposite is weak, weak, weak. You should not write week, weak means जो सप्ताह होता है, we should not write weak, weak means कमज़ोर. Assembled means to इकट्ठा करके रखना. So assembled का opposite we have to write. So opposite in this chapter is scattered. तितर बितर सब डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में फैल जाना, तो फैल जाने को scattered. So assembled, so opposite antonym is scattered. Now energized, the last word is energized, and there is a word in the chapter which is opposite of energized. Energized मतलब होता है ताकत आना, बहुत स्फूर्ति चुस्ती होना, एंड उसका ऑपोजिट होता है exhausted, जिसमें आप बुरी तरह से थक गए होते हैं. So exhausted is the antonym for this. So I hope that you understood this, and today we have done the exercise, and you can note it down. You have to note it down in your notebooks, and regarding any other doubt you can contact me. You can ask me in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.